Hello, this is Mrs. Gaynor. I'm going to teach you how to make your fire pit. I'm just going to hold it up right now for the camp meeting this week. This is your first arts and craft activity from Mrs. Gaynor. So you're going to need 2 pieces of paper. You're going to need crayons. You're going to need gray for the log or brown. You're going to need orange, red, and you're going to need yellow. And the last thing you're going to need is glue. So first thing you're going to do is put 1 piece of paper to the side. And we're going to take our other paper, and you're either going to use your brown or your gray crayon, and you're just going to color across. Go in the same direction. Doesn't have to be even because these are going to make logs and your logs are not perfect. So you can turn around. You're going to hear some animal noise because I'm actually outside since this is like camp meeting week. Yay, camp activities. So you can see it's all colored now. But one more thing we have to do to this, we're going to turn it this way. And we're going to put letter V's, all different size letter V's, upside down. You can make them go in this right way, but they're going to be all different sizes and shapes. And we can put little dashes and dots on here. Not a lot, because they're going to be logs. So it's going to end up looking like this. So then we're going to take, and we're going to fold this in half, the white side so you can see it, and we're going to take our scissors and we're going to cut down, straight down. Make sure it's the long way, not the short way. And now we have 2 pieces. So then we're going to glue. We're going to take 1 piece and we're going to glue it at the top. I had to look and see if it was still recording. I'm running out of glue. And so we will glue it and make sure you press the ends down so it can stay. So roll from the bottom to the top. I'm running out of glue, so hopefully this will stay. And you can see it stays. And you press. Once you press, make sure you rub the middle so that can attach. And then we're going to put that to the side. Then we're going to take the other one. We're going to do the same thing. I'm running out of glue. And we're going to roll it. And we're going to press and make sure that stays. So you have it pressed. I have to put a little bit more glue on this one. Didn't want to take. And make sure it presses and stays. So now it stays. So I have 2 paper rolls. So then we're going to take the other part. And I'm only going to need half of this. So I'm going to fold this in half. You can do it in the air, on the table, rub it down so we can see the folded line. Then you're going to take your scissors and cut down the middle. I have 2 pieces of paper. I only need 1, so I'm going to put 1 to the side for another activity. So then I'm going to take my 3 colors. My red, yellow, and orange, and I'm going to take turns coloring them. Make sure you go in the same direction. Make the flame look nice. Doesn't matter which order I'm doing, orange next. You can overlap your color because you know that looks cool in the flames. Last one I'm going to do is yellow on this side. Notice I'm holding my paper down so it won't fly away and I can color. And I'm going to color on the other side. So I'll take, it doesn't have to be the same color order, any order you want, because you're going to see once we flip these and put them together, you're going to see what happens. So I can go over my orange and have a little red there, and do a yellow. And I can end with orange on this side here. You will take your time coloring because you'll be able to play this as many times as you want. So now both sides are colored. Now we're going to fold this in half. Then we're going to fold it in half again. And it should look like this. So you can see it better. I'm going to turn it on this side. So we're going to start on the bottom edge. We're going to take our scissors and we're going to cut from the corner up. And we're going to make a point for one side. Then we're going to turn this over. We're going to go to the corner, cut, and it's going to be pointed. So now we have 4 pieces. So then we're going to glue 2 together like a bunny ear. So we're going to put glue on one side, put it down, press it together, and now we have bunny ears. We're going to do the same for the other 2. We're going to glue it down, press it together, and we have bunny ears. So when I put this together, it's going to be like this, but you're going to see how I put it together. So I'll take one of my logs, and I'm actually going to take the biggest one, and I'm going to put a slit. If it rips, it's okay, but we don't want it to rip all the way through, and you can see I bent it in a little bit. Then we're going to take our flames. So I'm going to glue, you can see I'm going to press this a little bit, because I have to glue one to one side and one to the other side. So I'm going to glue one to one side after I put glue on the bottom. Then I'm going to put glue on the other. I put glue here, and then on the other side I'm going to put my other ones. So I'm going to make it look like this. See, it looks like a flame. Now I'm going to take it and take my other piece that I put the slit in, and I'm going to put it this way. Now what you have to do is see how this fits. If it doesn't fit well, you're going to have to put a slit on either side of this log, and it has to go in, and voila, it will sit. One side probably be lifted up, that will help balance it, but now you have your fire pit. There you go. Put it in front of your tent, and I'll see you another time. Arts and Craft with Mrs. Gaynor. Arch for now. Bye.